Floors creaking when you walk on them can seriously mess with your chill vibe at home, but fixing those annoying squeaks is actually way easier than you think. So, first off, find the exact spot where the floor creaks by walking around and listening closely. Next, grab a screwdriver and check if any floorboards or baseboards have loose nails or screws. You might just need to tighten those up. If you can get underneath your floor, like in a basement or crawl space, look for loose subflooring and screw it down tighter to the joists. Sometimes, sprinkling some powdered graphite or talcum powder between the boards helps reduce friction and quiet things down. If the floorboards are nailed down with old nails, switching them out for screws can keep things from moving around. For hardwood floors, a few drops of wood glue between loose boards can stop movement without messing up the look. Remember, if you're not comfortable getting under the floor or working with tools, it's totally okay to call in a pro to avoid making things worse. Keep your floors dry too, because moisture can cause the wood to swell and squeak more over time. One of the biggest problems with squeaky floors is ignoring the issue until it gets worse, which makes repairs more expensive and complicated. To fix this, catch squeaks early by checking your floors regularly and tightening loose boards as soon as you notice movement. Another common mistake is using the wrong fasteners, like nails that don't hold well anymore, so swapping them for screws designed for flooring is a smart move to keep things solid. Lastly, people often forget about the subfloor and only focus on surface boards, but if the subfloor is loose or damaged, the whole floor will creak. Make sure to check underneath and secure any loose parts properly. BigHomeProjects.com makes life simpler by hooking homeowners up with trusted local contractors who know exactly how to fix squeaky floors and other home issues. At the same time, it helps contractors find steady work by connecting them with people who really need their skills.